Maintaining a clean and organized living space is not only visually appealing, but also contributes to improved mental and physical well-being. However, for many, the idea of cleaning can be daunting and demotivating. Procrastination often sets in, leading to clutter and chaos. So how can one overcome the inertia and find the motivation to clean? In this video, we will delve into effective strategies to ignite that cleaning motivation and turn it into a regular habit. So stay tuned till end of the video and don't miss any of these. Number 1. Set clear goals. Before embarking on any cleaning endeavor, it's essential to set clear goals. Identify which areas of your living space need attention and what level of cleanliness you're aiming for. Setting achievable, specific goals not only provides a sense of direction, but also makes the task more manageable. Whether it's decluttering the kitchen, organizing your closet, or deep cleaning the bathroom, having a clear objective will make the task seem less overwhelming. Number 2. Break it down. One of the primary reasons cleaning can feel intimidating is the perception of its enormity. Break the cleaning process down into smaller, more manageable tasks. Rather than attempting to tackle the entire house in one go, focus on one room or even a specific section within a room. This approach makes the task seem less daunting and allows for a sense of accomplishment with each completed task. Number 3. Create a playlist. Music can be a powerful motivator. Create a playlist of your favorite upbeat and energizing songs to listen to while cleaning. Music has been shown to boost mood, increase energy levels, and even make repetitive tasks feel more enjoyable. Let the music set the pace and rhythm of your cleaning session, turning it into an engaging and motivating activity. Number 4. Set a timer. The Pomodoro technique, a time management method, involves breaking work into intervals, usually 25 minutes long, followed by a short break. Apply this technique to cleaning by setting a timer for, say, 20 to 30 minutes. Focus solely on cleaning during this time, and when the timer goes off, take a short break. This method helps prevent burnout and maintains your motivation by turning cleaning into a series of achievable sprints rather than a never-ending marathon. Number 5. Visualize the end result. Take a moment to imagine how your space will look and feel once it's clean and organized. Visualization can be a powerful motivational tool as it allows you to connect with the end result emotionally. When you have a clear picture of the benefits awaiting you, it becomes easier to muster the motivation needed to start cleaning. Before continuing further, kindly hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss any update from us. Let's continue with our video. Number 6. Declutter first. Cleaning becomes a much smoother process when you remove clutter first. Clutter not only adds to the visual chaos, but can also impede the cleaning process itself. Prioritize decluttering by sorting items into categories like keep, donate/sell, and discard. Removing unnecessary items from your space creates a more manageable cleaning task and gives you a sense of accomplishment early on. Number 7. Reward yourself. Incorporate rewards into your cleaning routine to provide positive reinforcement. Decide on a small reward you'll give yourself once a certain cleaning task is completed. It could be anything from enjoying a favorite snack, watching an episode of your favorite show, or spending some guilt-free time on a hobby. The prospect of a reward can make cleaning feel less like a chore and more like a worthwhile endeavor. Number 8. Enlist help. Cleaning doesn't have to be a solitary activity. Enlist the help of family members, roommates, or friends. Not only does this divide the workload, but it can also make cleaning more enjoyable and social. Working together not only increases productivity, but also provides a sense of accountability, as you are less likely to postpone cleaning when others are involved. Number 9. Embrace the 2-minute rule. The 2-minute rule is a strategy that involves tackling tasks immediately if they take 2 minutes or less to complete. Applying this rule to cleaning can prevent small messes from accumulating and becoming overwhelming. Whether it's wiping down a countertop, folding a piece of clothing, or putting away a few items, addressing these small tasks as they arise can maintain the overall tidiness of your space. Number 10. Make it a ritual. Turn cleaning into a ritual by assigning specific days or times for it. When cleaning becomes a part of your routine, it's easier to overcome the resistance that often comes with tackling chores. Whether it's a weekly deep clean on Saturdays or a 15-minute tidy-up every evening, having a consistent cleaning schedule can help you maintain a clean and organized space effortlessly. Number 11. Focus on health benefits. Aside from the aesthetic benefits, cleaning also has numerous health advantages. A clean and dust-free environment can lead to better indoor air quality, reducing the risk of allergies and respiratory issues. Knowing that your efforts contribute to a healthier living space can be a strong motivator to pick up that mop or vacuum cleaner. Number 12. Before and after photos. Capture the transformation of your space through before and after photos. These visual records not only showcase your progress, but also serve as a reminder of the rewards that come with cleaning. When you find yourself lacking motivation, a quick glance at these photos can reignite your determination to keep your space tidy and organized. Number 13. Learn from others. Seek inspiration from individuals who excel at maintaining clean spaces. This could be friends, family, or even online influencers who share cleaning tips and routines. Learning from others can give you new insights into effective cleaning methods and strategies, helping you streamline your own cleaning routine. Number 14. Practice mindfulness. Turn cleaning into a mindfulness exercise by being fully present and engaged in the task. Pay attention to the sensory experiences, the smell of the cleaning products, the feel of the surfaces, the sound of cleaning tools. Mindfulness can transform the act of cleaning from a chore into a meditative and even therapeutic activity. Number 15. Reflect on the benefits. Take a moment to reflect on how you feel after you completed a cleaning session. The sense of accomplishment, the improved aesthetics, and the calming effect of an organized space are all rewards of your efforts. Reminding yourself of these benefits can motivate you to overcome any resistance and get started. In conclusion, finding motivation to clean can be challenging, but it's not an insurmountable task. By setting clear goals, breaking tasks down, incorporating music and rewards, and maintaining a routine, you can overcome procrastination and transform cleaning into a manageable and even enjoyable activity. Embrace the physical and mental benefits of a clean space, and remember that every small effort contributes to a more organized and healthier lifestyle. We hope that you have enjoyed our video. Kindly give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any update from us. Thanks for watching the video.